CBs have become essential for drivers who need reliable communication on the road. Whether for truckers, off-road enthusiasts, or everyday users, a quality CB antenna ensures strong reception and transmission. In this guide, we evaluate the best. The Cobra HG A1000 stands out for its compact design and powerful performance, making it a great choice for drivers with limited roof space. Its 18.5-inch width provides solid reception across CB frequencies, while the heavy-duty magnetic base ensures a secure hold even at highway speeds. Installation is hassle-free. Simply attach the magnet to your car's roof, connect the coaxial cable, and you're ready to go. Users appreciate its balance of portability and performance, particularly for short to mid-range communication. The antenna's weather-resistant construction makes it reliable in various driving conditions, ideal for casual CB users or those who need an easy, no-drill solution. List 2. The Nagoya CB72 is a high-performance antenna kit designed for enthusiasts who demand excellent range and reliability. With 28 inches of length, it delivers better reception and transmission compared to shorter models. It features universal 26 to 28 MHz coverage, making it compatible with most CB radios. The magnetic base provides a strong grip, while the stainless steel whip ensures durability in harsh weather. This kit also includes a premium coaxial cable, adding value to the overall package. Drivers who often travel through rural areas or need long-distance communication will appreciate its range and signal stability. Installation is quick and user-friendly, making it a top choice for both beginners and seasoned CB users. List 3. For those needing maximum range, this long-range 27 MHz CB antenna is designed for superior signal performance. The heavy-duty magnetic base provides a firm hold, while the soft whip design adds flexibility to prevent damage from low clearances or impacts. This model is particularly popular with truckers and off-road drivers who require consistent signal strength across various terrains. It supports standard 27 MHz CB frequencies, ensuring compatibility with most radios. Users praise its extended reach and rugged construction, which make it a dependable choice for long trips. Installation is straightforward and tool-free, making it one of the best plug-and-play CB antennas for serious communication needs. List number. The Marketing SS3H isn't a standalone antenna, but an essential accessory for CB radio setups. Crafted from stainless steel, this heavy-duty spring provides the flexibility and durability needed to protect antennas from wind, tree branches, or accidental impacts. It reduces stress on the antenna base, preventing damage and extending the life of your CB setup. Ideal for drivers who often encounter rugged terrain or low clearance areas. This spring ensures that antennas can flex rather than break. Easy to install and universally compatible, the Marketing SS3H is a cost-effective upgrade for improving antenna performance and durability. List 5. The Francis 300 CB22B is a 3-foot fiberglass CB antenna, known for its classic hot rod style and exceptional build quality. It supports both CB and AM/FM radio signals, making it a versatile option for users who want dual functionality. Its fiberglass construction provides excellent durability while maintaining a lightweight design. The black finish gives it a sleek, professional look that blends well with most vehicles. Users highlight its impressive signal performance for a fiberglass antenna of this size, making it a great mid-range solution. Perfect for drivers who value style, durability, and multi-use capability in one package.